So, this is a little DC setting circuit that I'm building, and this is the image that's on the screen right now. Pardon my bad coupling here, but I have analog video out coming from this converter and getting coupled through a 400 nanofarad capacitor to the circuit, which is connected to ground through a 1 megaohm potentiometer. It's currently at its maximum here, and that is the trace on the scope, vertical trigger, and on 2 milliseconds there, and 5 volts there. Let's stop it, and DC coupled. So when I change the value of this potentiometer, you can see that the waveform gets increasingly sloped to the point where the thing doesn't even recognize the VSync anymore. Come on, behave. My witch hat keeps falling off. Stupid cheap probe. There we go. Come on. Stand by, technical difficulties. There we go again. It's happy. Yeah, that's what it looks like at minimum. I don't know what the actual thing is, but it's quite distorted. So what I'm going to do is increase that capacitance again, and then there we go. I should have put it back on V again. Yeah, depending on the time constant, the DC value of the video signal gets lost, and low frequency content is also lost. So what I've done is I have a diode switched into this circuit. I don't have it powered on yet. Don't mind my hokey and extremely dangerous power supply here, but I'm going to plug that in now, and the tube filament will light. There's a little bit of AC coming through on the line there, but not too much. So once that gets warm, I will switch it into one of the positions and see if I can get it to I can't remember which one is the right one. Let's see. Nope, that's negative. The switch is very stiff. There we go. There, look. Now, even if I decrease the potentiometer significantly, we get a decent amount of DC set here. Still a little warbly, but let's see. I will change the image on the screen to be purely white, and so here we go. Let's see. And my stupid probe is wonky. It's very sensitive to being touched. So we can actually get a decent video signal here with only, I'll let them measure it, but a decent signal there, DC wise. Set it to. If we reduce it even further, then we just get garbage, but pretty damn soon. And by the way, that's center is on ground. Even with just a couple tens of kiloohms, it's already getting proper DC set, and with the full 1 mega ohm of the pot, we're getting basically what would be a perfect picture here. Come on, behave. There we go. And if we change the picture to be something else that has a lot of light dark kind of content, we can see that this is that thing again, that it actually doesn't have to float back down there for very long. Let's see. Sorry about the flickering here. It's just that it's different on camera than IRL, that's for sure. But yeah, it's kind of funny. So yeah, they're a DC setting circuit. And when I flip it to the other end, you can see that it's trying to set it off the white. And when I decrease this, the sync portion is actually the stuff that gets starting to ride up. Let me swap it back to no DC setting, positive DC setting. So yeah, there we go. Using a 6AL5 vacuum tube diode. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I don't know, YouTube outro.